once again to iTech, and thank you for choosing this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can get free USDT on Binance. Yes, it's true, you can get free USDT. Someone is asking, how can I get free USDT on Binance? Just check the description of this video, tap on it. If you don't have Binance account, just tap on the link, register, sign up, okay, and verify your account. And then I'll take you through how you can earn free USDT on Binance Reward Center. To get this free USDT that I'm talking about, first of all, you need to get a Binance account. Okay, if you don't have account, so as I said, you can check the description to just get the link here and use the link to sign up. Okay, now after you sign up, you need to verify your account. So as you can see, my account is what verified, and you see this one. So you verified your account, and then you start making some trading activities here. You see reward center. So this is the place where you are going to get your free USDT. Okay, so reward center, we just click on reward center. So if you're already on Binance, just go to your profile and hit on what reward center. Okay, so as you can see, for now I don't have any reward. Okay, so I don't have any reward in my spot wallet, but let me show you proof that you can get this reward. So as you can see, let me start from here. So cashback voucher, that is spot wallet, which is free, $5. I couldn't redeem this one. Okay, the same thing on this day I couldn't redeem. The same thing on this day I couldn't redeem. Okay, so these are very legit way that you can get $5 or more for free on Binance. Okay, so this is what I redeemed. So as you can see, I redeemed this one. Okay, so it's very important that you get Binance accounts in order to just get this free spot wallet crypto. Okay, so if you're already on Binance, just go to your profile and go to reward center to claim your free USDT. Thank you for watching this video. See you. Bye.